Yeah.
Don't worry, we're the Super Mario Brothers plumbing team, and we've been observing you throughout your toilet experience to make sure that there's no technical difficulties.
No assisto problema.
It's okay, sir. I'm sure we're gonna have this all right under control. Just leave the bathroom to us. Alright, now let's get you to safety while we fix your toilet.
Thanks, guys.
No problem.
You're amazing.
Thanks.
Me Mario.
Alright, Mario. Looks like we got ourselves a situation of some Koopas in the Poopas. Ready to gear up and save Princess Peach?
Me gusta Peach.
Let's go to work.
Like a Zoom man.
Hey, Mario. Mario, you see the problem?
¿Dónde está el problem?
Oh, here he is! It's a Koopa! It's a Koopa! Hey, Mario! Mario, I get him! He's shrinking with the hits! He's turning into a shell! He's a shell, Mario! Be careful! Step on him! Step on him and kick him! Yeah, that's right, you Koopa! Watch out, Koopa! See if you in the see if you in people's poop anymore. I don't think so. It's another victory for Mario's plumbing. Hey, Spencer. I believe that your problem's solved.
Problem A-okay!
Gee, thanks, guys. You're the greatest.